Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a video on remix project, how to integrate ShadCN in our remix project. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I set up the remix project. So you can see here lesson posts are given. Let's copy this and let's go in our code editor, open the terminal and paste and enter. Okay, then here some questions asked here. So first of all, we are given the name of the folder, the project where to make it, my app. Okay, and after that, then second question is initial or new git repository. Yes. Install dependencies npm. Yes. So our setup is completed, you can see here. Okay, so let's go inside the folder. So let's go in our package.json. Okay, so you can see here many things are the dependency, are the install it and tab dependency. First of all, we have to run our project. Okay, you can see in script, inside the script tag there is dev. Okay, and one is start, and dev is you already know that dev is for the development mode and start is for the production mode. First of all, we run in our development mode. So command is very simple. It also is the same as the React project or as the Next.js project. Can how to start our server. So just right here npm run dev. So first of all, we go inside our project folder to see my app. Okay, cd my app enter. Then after that npm run. Now we start our server and let's go in our server, means here the link, press the control and click here, open our browser. So our remix project is set up. So let's go in ShadCN website and get started. ShadCN. Okay. The lesson part, there is main thing, Next.js beat remix. Okay, we are making the remix. So let's go inside the remix on this, and we have already create our remix project. No, only just we go and npm part. Okay, command and run in our code editor. So first of all, close your server. Okay, so it also asks some questions. Which color would you like to use the base? We can neutral. Okay, enter. And would you like to set variable for theming? And let's go again in our browser for the ShadCN website. You can see you will ask for few questions. Okay, let's go in our VS code and run our server npm run dev. Close the terminal. Okay, so let's go inside the app folder. Okay, in app folder you can see leave a folder auto create, util folder is auto create. Inside the route there is our pages. It's just like we can create a app.jsx in React folder, add the page.jsx or tsx in next folder. Is inside the route the file index.tsx, it is our entry point, means the main page showing in browser. Close our this sidebar, move the all things inside here, don't do anything more, just remove the things. Okay, here is also work same, means just like we are working as a React. Okay, what is the RAFC? Okay, just remove this React, no need to here. Okay, and other things working fine, and we can say text like this. Okay, and other things working, and just give h1 and hello remix project setup with that. Okay, now you can go in browser and see. So you can reload it. Okay, and you can see hello remix project setup. So let's go inside in ShadCN website, use some component. Okay, according first component we can use. Okay, go inside the code. First of all, we have to install some you can install this, copy the npx, then open the terminal and close the server again. It will be entered. So successfully installed, and again we run our server npm run dev. Let's go again the ShadCN website, and now copy this code. Okay, copy, and let's go and all I think paste it, work or not, less. So now the error we can face here. First of all, the error is here is no default. You have to put default, because without default it not work correctly. And here now just what we do, just remove as the red and put tilde sign. Okay, and it's solve it. Now let's go in browser again and see work or not. Press it. Okay, so it's perfectly run. You can see here, I click here and here. Okay, here also we have to click here the text. Okay, text, but we click here. Now it's perfectly fine. This work. So make some stand more better. Okay, just wrap in the class name. So with also from here, so I put here 400 pixel only and bg color black. Okay, let's see. Oh, now it's not text white. Perfect, and gives a padding also p4. Not fine, and a rounded LG and make it center, so MX auto. Perfect. Now you can, when I click here, work. When I click here is work. So first component we successfully integrate in our Linux project. Let's see the another component. Okay, so which we use what is a calendar. Okay, we use calendar. Okay, so before we use, first we have to install some command here. Okay, so we can install here calendar component. Okay, let's go in our project and go the server control and paste here, then enter. So our calendar is successfully installed. Okay, again our means restart your server and run dev, enter, terminal. Let's go inside the ShadCN and just copy the code. Okay, I can copy all the code in here. Okay, so let's go inside means component. Okay, make one file with page calendar will be this. Can put tilde sign, and another one is we remove. Okay, and when we also and we import directly. Okay, like this, and all things is perfectly good. All things are perfectly fine. Just use this calendar in our this page. Okay, I put means first of all copy that means cut that and put one div p4, enter. Okay, first component in this and just enter it and use our second component, which is calendar. Okay, so what is the problem here? You can see inside the page calendar what the name here, calendar demo. Okay, this is the name we are import there. So another one is there is no default, so put default here and page calendar. Okay, now we can go and search. I mean, again you are at page calendar, then you can see in suggestion also here. Now let's go in our browser and let's see the calendar is come or not. Reload it, put in our component and x dot just put inside the deep folder the calendar and with manage with 400 pixels. Let's see control or not. Perfectly control, but is why go outside? 400 is more. Yes, enough. Okay, we can use 300 and just put in the center. So simple, MX auto. You can see also use calendar component. That's it. Okay, for today this much. I hope you are able to understand how to use ShadCN in your remix project. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.